Did you have a good birthday, Kylie?
Yes.
Yes. What did you get for your birthday?
Barbies and coloring books and a big piece of paper.
A big color paper?
Big color paper.
Yeah? What kind of cake are you eating?
Flour with chocolate. Nice.
Chocolate cake? Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. What movie are we gonna watch?
Harry Potter. This is Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. Can you
Definitely.
Definitely. Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi, Nan. Hi, Gran.
Hi, Nan. Hi, Gran.
Hi, Layla.
Hi, Layla.
Say it's my birthday.
It's my birthday. You mean your party? Excuse me.
Oh my God. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.